If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Howdy guys, welcome back. It's Ford aficionado back at it again. And check this out. I got the brand new Hawk Glow high and low beam headlights installed today when I got off work. And they are bright. So it's low beam here. And here we have the low and the high beam on both. And they are bright like I told you. As you can see, shining on the bed of my truck, back of my truck. They are super bright. Now, as we open the back door, I'll show you the old ones I took out. Here's the old ones. They're a little bit different design. They actually got a longer cord on them. I don't know the brand of these. Actually, just by looking at them, they look like just regular Sylvania that you get at Walmart LEDs. That's exactly kind of what they look like. But that's what came out of it. High and low beam. They all look the same. And so, as you can see there, whoop. I mean, they still work. They're just, the one was just, the one low beam was just, was on its way out, flickering back and forth and driving people crazy. So, I replaced them. And my 2007 Jeep Commander calls for the 9005 and the 9006. I believe it's the 9005 is the low beam and the 9006 is the high beam. I got these on the Hawk Glow website. Again, there's the name, Hawk Glow. I've heard a lot of great things about these headlight bulbs. And I decided to try them out. Like I said, both the high beam and the low beam set together cost me 90 bucks. And it took close to a week for them to get here from Georgia, from I think around the Atlanta area. And so, you know, we're gonna try them out and see how they work. Like I said, like you saw, they are bright. And so we're gonna see how long they last. I expect them to last quite some time because they're LED, they're not halogen. LEDs always last longer, and they run cooler because they actually have a cooling fan built in. Keeps the bulbs cool. And I think these are 60,000 hours, maybe. I don't remember, but we're gonna see how long they last. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I haven't got to drive with them at night yet when it's pure pitch black outside, but I expect great things out of these bulbs, and they're gonna last for quite some time. So yeah, we'll give it about a month, and when I go next month, well, I'll give you an update video in about a month right before I go on my vacation. I always make a video. I'm gonna make a video again before I leave when I go to DC, and so we'll let you know. So I will tell y'all this, the next items I will be changing out, replacing on my Jeep: power steering pump, coolant and thermostat, transmission fluid and filters I should say, because my transmission has two filters. One looks like an engine oil filter, and the other one's just a sump filter, like any transmission would have. And about just about 250 miles will be my next rotation. I'm backing down from my every other oil change 10,000 mile tire rotation to now every oil change 5,000 mile rotation. Tires are getting they got over 30,000 miles on them now, so I'm gonna start backing down and doing it every oil change rotation instead of every other oil change. So we're gonna see how long these LED headlights last, And in about a month, I'll give you an update. I'll see y'all in the next one. This is the Florida Aficionado out.